water trickling down from up there, dropping down there, look, to meet the main river here. And there's your next bridge straight up there. So between 2 and 3, it's only 100 yards. Good boy, son, good boy. Good boy, son, good boy. So this is obviously better walking through here because you've got all the water and rocks and white rapids, rather than just walk through hardwood forest, which is all just forestry commission tracks, stone tracks. So it's ideal for to let him off, but it's not as picturesque and not as inviting, shall we say. Right, there's another stream coming down. Now, he hasn't shown any hesitation of going over bridges like Con. Con was very, very anxious about going over, especially if he could see through the rungs. He started walking like a cat on a hot tin roof. Very funny to watch. Now he's going plunging again. Good boy, son, good boy. Good boy. So all this jumping up from down there and up these hills. Here, no, come on, here. Come on, here. Come on. Bridge number 3. Good boy, son. See, got no hesitation. He's not even looking down through the rungs. He's just going. He's just happy to be off the leader and able to run about and do what he does. Oh, I've just seen a squirrel. Like I say, you just catch a little glimpse in the corner of your eye. It had quite a long tail as well, that one. It's just run across the path there, left to right. Right, so this is another area where you're right next to the water and you see all kinds of white water rapids coming down and drop downs like that, or step downs, whatever you want to call them. Like I say, if Con was here, he'd be straight down there and walk along those flat rocks, wading. No fear of water at all, none. So there's more of those railway tracks on the side of the embankment here. Come on, son, yeah, hurry, 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 son, come on in. I'm the king of the castle. I'm up here looking down on you. Good boy, son. Good boy. Well, this is great. I'm getting over 50% away and I haven't seen any other dog waters yet, so this is good news for me. Right, so here's some long wooden bench seats, look. Nice water rapids coming down there. And there's the next bridge, you can see with the blue square disc on it. So they built up the embankment here with that strong mesh and put loads of boulders in it, because obviously the water comes hurtling down here and it's washing away the embankment slowly but surely. So they've had to build it up. Mind you, I must say, whoever does the National Forest in this area is shit hot, because everything that's happened, like the collapse and the landslides, they've come and repaired it straight away. Not like our forestry, where you can't get through to Davidson's Linn waterfall because there's too many bloody trees have fallen down across the path, so you still can't get the normal way to the waterfall. You've got to go for a trip around the world to get it from another pathway. Right, so here's bridge 4. I keep looking around to see if I can see anybody, and there's bridge 5 straight ahead, straight after 4, more or less. I'll laugh at his tail, just looks like he's walked past paint. He's got white speckles all over his tail. He's very unique with his markings. And like I say, the white patches on his neck, he's got 3 unique brown speckles on his white. So you can tell him a mile off to recognise him. So if anyone stole him and we went to claim him back, they couldn't deny that's our dog with these markings. And I've got it all on film and pictures. More evidence of the rail wheel along here, the miniature railway for carrying the iron ore, when they probably done the mining up here many moons ago. That's what that dam wall is for, where the waterfall's coming over, where I took pictures of back there. That's all part of it. Right, look at this, where the tree's falling over, and it's with the roots it's brought up that huge boulder which is still attached, look. So it's left a big hole in underneath it where it's fallen over from. Right, now this is the hardest part of the pathway to get up to the waterfall, because once you cross over this bridge it's all up steps, and they're quite steep stone steps. And you can see the next bridge from here as well. You just look over to the right. Right, so here we are at bridge number 5. And up there, when you go up the top of these stairs, there's bridge number 6 going across. And that's where there's another big waterfalls coming underneath it. Look at the size of these boulders that's washed downstream. Good boys. He isn't even giving it a second look. He's got no fear. But look how high I am above these big fall and drop downs at the pool. Look. Fabulous. Lovely. So you can see the bridge going across there, built into the cliff basically to go across. So like I say, I might be lucky and go all the way up there, get some pictures, and come all the way back without seeing another dog walker. That'd be great for me. Now my insurance for my car, what cover I got from the insurance company to get my car out the impound, is runs out on midnight on the 7th, so I'm just using my car up until then. Then I'll have to buy some new insurance, which is getting more expensive each time you look. It's going up and up and up and up, because obviously the globalists are running out of money, because all the cheating and the adrenochrome human trafficking is all be getting stopped by Trump, and all the assets are being removed, so that once they haven't got any money, they haven't got any power, and if they haven't got any power to dictate and rule us, it's all getting dissolved. Like the fiat currency's gone, the petrodollar's gone. Right, so there's some beautiful big drop waterfalls over there, look. Coming all the way down through these big boulders. One drop after another, it's gorgeous, huh? Right, so here we are at bridge number 6, built into the cliff to take you across. And then here you've got some steep steps to get up that go around in a spiral type thing. But this is where you've got some nice waterfalls coming over as well, look, squeezing through the rocks. Right, come on son, no, you can't. No, no, go on, here, 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 here. Come on, here, here, here. Come on, here, here, here. Come on, here. How here, how here. Right, come on. You've got yourself the right pickle. Come on, down here. Good boy, good boy. Right, come on. How good boy. So you see, he's understanding everything I'm saying. Right here, come on. He knows exactly what I'm trying to tell him. It's getting better and better and better. So look at these spiral stairs here, made out of stone. So that means that the Hareshaw Linn waterfall is going to be spectacular as well. Like that woman's pictures that she took the other day, and she uploaded them onto Walking Northumberland. Well, quite good photos as well. So she must have a decent camera. Right, so this is where you can go and get a hold of that little tree and pull yourself up on that thing and get some nice shots of the waterfalls coming over. Right, up and round to the left, then back round to the right. Of course, there's nothing to hold on here, and I'm right-handed, so I like to be able to grab things with my right hand, so I feel more safe. So I've just got to take my time, get me balance, and then step up to the next height. Right, here's the last bridge to get across. See that huge tree just balanced on the top of a rock there, and you can see where the water's gone either side of that big slab of rock and worn it away, so it's like a monolith. Right, over this bridge past the money tree where people bang coins into this big tree here, and the little stump underneath it. Right, look at that, it's beautiful. So I call this the Curly Whirly Bridge because it goes round and round and round. Look at that huge bit of tree. Like I say, it's just balancing on the end. It's got a huge drop here, and you can see the water gets splashed and coming back up. There's a fine mist. Right, I'll get on the stick. Right. Oh, I'm getting too old for this shit. Right, so there's loads of coins being hammered into this bit tree, look. And this little stump at the bottom. Yeah, son? How? Right, that's the cliff of the waterfall straight ahead now. Yeah, yeah, son. How? Hi, son. Yeah, yeah. How I get your stick? Yeah, what's this? Yeah. How? Go and get it, son. Go and get it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, son. Get it, son. Get it. Good boy. Good boy. How it? Good boy. Good boy, son. How it? Good boy, son. Where's your stick, son? Where's it? Where's your stick? Where's it, son? Where's it? Right, come here, come here. Put your colour right, come here. Here's a look. See if I can get that pushed back in. Good boy, son. Good boy. That's better. I love it when I lift the boot and I'm telling him to stay until I get, wait until I get my leader on, and he keeps leaning over to give us a kiss. He licks my face up. Like I say, he's very, very gentle, very, very loving, but just daft as a brush and hard for me to handle because of his strength. So that's the only gripe I've got with him. Just pulls too much on the leader. Right, so you can start to see the waterfall coming into view there now. Beautiful. Well, that just looks like a load of dog shit, but it's clay and mud. But it's yellow coma curry. Just looks like a dog's gone past here with runs. Just dropped a big batch. Drop the parcel. Look at that, man. Look how wide it's going right across the rocks. The full width. Beautiful. Well worth the trip to come up here. Right, so you climb up here, there's a bench seat at the top, and then some stairs to go down to get close to the waterfall. But the best shots you can get from the top here, because you can see over the top of the waterfall. That's fantastic. Look at that, it's the whole width. Fabulous. I love that ivy that's hanging down over the fascia of the cliff as well on the left hand side. Good boy, son. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, son. Right, so people standing on top of this wooden bench seat here, and obviously point the camera right across the top of the waterfall, which I've just done. Right, we'll go down these slippery wet steps and keep a hold of the cliff side on the right hand side here, going down so they didn't slip and fall. Hello, son. It's water dripping off the top all the time. That's why it's all wet down here. Good boy, son, good boy. I'm sure I've just felt that rock move when I put my foot, take my foot off it. It rocked forward. Right, so there's a big cave just around the corner on the right hand side, so if it pisses down the rain, when you're here you can just go in the cave and get some shelter until it slows down or stops. But you can hear the roar of the water and they're nowhere near it. It's got to go around the corner yet. Alright, son, come on now. He's getting good at climbing up rocks and in balance, because he's doing it all the time now. That's the trouble, he can jump over my back wall now, whereas before he was frightened. launches himself and lands on a hole in the top wall. Then he walks around the back wall, drops down at next door's garden, then goes wandering about through a gap in the fence into next door's again. Little shit. Right, picture from here. Good boy, son. Good. Loads of water running down the cliff here on the right hand side through the ivy. It's amazing the draft that I'm getting coming off the waterfall. It's like a very cold draft. Good boy, Sonny. Good boy. Who's a good boy? Son of a bitch. Right, so here's the cave. It's all wet at the moment, like, because he's slipping all over. Yeah, son. Right, come on then. How it? Right, time to head back. Let's turn around one more time. Just do an extra little bit of footage. It's lovely when it's a full spate and it's getting turfed over to the right slightly and then dropping down and then hit the rocks off the bottom. But it's nice to see it's right across the width of the waterfall. He's getting too brave. I don't know if I like it, where he's going too close to the edge and he's showing no fear at all. I just don't want him slipping and having a fall where he breaks his legs or a leg, and I kind of carry him back. He's too heavy. That's what my biggest fear is. If he falls and gets injured, of course, if you take him to the vets, it'll be £1,000 fee for to get the dog sorted. Whoa, whoa! Once again, I've got nothing to hold on with my right hand, so that's why I'm staggering all over the shop. I've just stood on that rock that's loose again. It's just moved under my foot again.